Good evening and welcome to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. My name is Lyndon Baptiste, and on this channel, we talk about ways to build credit, increasing your credit score too as well, and our journey to getting excellent credit. Okay. And I want to thank all of you guys so much for joining our last live stream yesterday. Actually, we did two live streams yesterday because it really is a pleasure to meet with you guys and join with you guys in a meaningful discussion, about a topic concerning credit building. Building credit too, also as well. So I do want to say a special thank you to our 1,116 subscribers that we have right now, because without you guys, this will not be possible. And I really appreciate you guys. I do want to say a special thank you to Purple Butterflies. That is Janelle's new name here on YouTube. So everyone, please give a warm welcome to Purple Butterflies, and thank you so much for joining us. Right now, we have 5 people with us here tonight in the live stream. Thank you so much, guys, to all the 5 people that are joining here with us currently tonight. And also, if you've been watching for a while and you have not already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification. And when you see the bell notifications pop up, hit on allow all notifications. Okay, that should be the bell in the brackets. So go ahead and click on that, so that way you'll never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too, also as well. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Cliff Peters. Cliff Peters, thank you so much for joining us, buddy. I really appreciate you, and welcome back once again. Cliff Peters says good night, and welcome, Cliff Peters, and I hope you're enjoying your night too, also as well. And I also want to mention that I wish that everyone would please join our Facebook credit group, which is our credit building community. And the name of our credit group is called How to Get Excellent Credit. It's on Facebook. To find it, you could just type in How to Get Excellent Credit inside of the search bar, and it will take you right there. Thank you, Cliff Peters, for the 2 thumbs up. Yes, thank you so much. Really appreciate that. And guys, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel, and it helps out with the YouTube algorithms too, also as well. So yeah, guys, I ask that all of you please join the Facebook credit group, How to Get Excellent Credit. Also, you can like our Facebook page. It's called How to Get an 800 Credit Score. And you can follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and all of the other social media networks as well, Instagram too, also Twitter especially, because our followers are increasing daily. So I thank you so much to all of you guys for making this possible too, also as well. And all of the links there to contact me, to email me, can be found in the bottom of the About section of this channel too, also as well, including all the links, and also my business S corporation called Nurse Providers Incorporated. There's a link there to the website, the company website too, also as well. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Ronald Anderson. And Ronald Anderson, thank you so much for joining us tonight. It's really a pleasure, buddy. Ronald says, all right, Lyndon, can't wait for your reviews of strong lenders. Oh, you mean Credit Strong, you mean? Yeah, because I know you guys, those of you who have been in the last live stream, I kind of brought up the topic of Credit Strong, and we took a vote for those of you who were there. And after the results of the vote was that I should do a video live stream about Credit Strong. So that's what we're doing today, per our subscribers, our live chat participants request. Okay, so tonight's topic is Credit Strong. Okay, especially because a lot of people have never heard of Credit Strong. Actually, it was in the How to Build Credit TV live stream today with Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV, and even Dwayne never heard of Credit Strong either. Apparently from his response to someone's comment asking about Credit Strong. So that's why I'm also reviewing it, because not too many people know about Credit Strong. Also as well. Right now we have 8 people with us currently in the live stream, and I want to say thank you so much for joining us too once again. I really appreciate you guys. Also, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Bodyguard 856. Bodyguard, thank you and welcome back once again. Janelle, saying something?
Again. Huge butterfly, purple butterfly.
Oh, yes. Janelle said to remind you guys once again who Purple Butterflies is. Purple Butterflies is Janelle Leone. Okay. So in our previous live streams, her name would pop up as Janelle Leone. Also in the How to Build Credit TV live streams on Monday at 7 p.m. Her name pops up there too, as well as my name, How to Get an 800 Credit Score too, also as well. So that way you're familiar with who it is, who Purple Butterflies is. And she just wanted me to remind you guys about that. Also, guys, please give a warm welcome to Dead Mouse. Dead Mouse, thank you so much for joining us once again, buddy. And it's truly a pleasure to see you again. Welcome back. And everyone, Dead Mouse has a credit repair YouTube channel, which he talks about ways to dispute items off of your credit report and get them removed too, also as well. So, guys, go ahead, click on his name if you're interested, and click on go to channel. And when you get there, hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications, so that way you will never miss his videos also as well. Bodyguard 856 says back to back. Yes, Bodyguard, this is a back to back live stream. I guess we did 2 live streams, if I'm not mistaken, yesterday. Then we did one Saturday night, late Saturday night, actually. And then we're doing another one tonight, actually. So, yes, this is back to back, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, 3 days in a row. Okay. Dead Mouse says, Dead Mouse in the house. LOL. What's up, champ? And 4 flexes there. Dead Mouse, I had a long day at work today. Then as soon as I got home, I got on the How to Build Credit TV's live stream at 7 o'clock. I just barely made it home, so I had to get in the live stream like on my way home, like inside of my ride, before I got home actually. And when I got home, Janelle was already on, so I just continued watching the live stream to also as well, because Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV, he has some awesome videos, some awesome live streams, and I've been watching his videos for a long time now, and he's helped me a lot to excuse me, he's helped me a lot to build my credit too as well. And thanks to him, right now I have a credit score of 731. So as the good news, we had a live stream yesterday about that good news that I got from Wallet Hub yesterday about my 731 credit score. And thank you so much to all of you who participated in that live stream too, also as well. Right now we have 11 people with us here in the live stream. We have 13 people here with us in the live stream, and thank you so much, guys, for joining. I really appreciate you guys so much. You really add a lot of value to all of our live streams too, also as well. And let's see if I make sure I don't miss anyone's comments. Janelle or Purple Butterfly says,
Could be it.
It's good to see you all back on here. We can't help of doing these live streams pretty much every day, and we love you all. Yes, I think this is the first time we've done so many live streams back to back. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 3 days in a row. But hey, I guess this is the first time for everything. We're trying different things here because we are a new channel. We just started our channel in April 11th. So, we're trying all types of different things, out with the channel, trying different, they're trying the Patreon membership now. We're also, trying different memberships that we're offering, but those memberships, since they're new to us and we just created them recently, they will change, so they are not set in stone. They will change because they're fairly a new creation of ours. Okay, guys. And so, okay, let's see. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Pink Lady Barber. And Pink Lady Barber, thank you so much for joining us once again in another live stream. It's truly a pleasure. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome back. Everyone, please welcome Pink Lady Barber. Right now, we have 17 people here with us in the live stream. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I really appreciate all of you. And also, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Tanya Williams. Tanya Williams, thank you so much for joining us tonight in the live stream. It's truly a pleasure. You really add a lot of value to the group. And thank you for the thumbs up to also as well, Tanya. And, always great to see you here. And welcome back again. Um, so, Purple Butterfly says, Tanya Williams, oh my God, it's good to see you back. Thank you for joining us. Okay, thank you for sharing that, Janelle. And thank you for helping answer a lot of questions and comments in our live streams. Thank you for being such a fabulous moderator there. I really appreciate you. Let's see. Purple Butterflies says, just to let everyone know that Janelle Leone had changed to Purple Butterflies. Yes, she just wanted to say that again so that you guys, know. Right now we have 16 people with us here in a live stream right now. So guys, our regular scheduled live stream is every Wednesday at 8:15 p.m. Central Time. That is our regular time for our live stream. So you can count on it that we will be here every Wednesday at 8:15 p.m. Central Time. And that is our commitment to you, our viewers and our subscribers. And we really appreciate all of you. And thank you guys so much for making this all possible for us too also as well. So tonight's live stream is going to be a short live stream because I know me, myself, I have to go to work in the morning, and also I'm sure a lot of you have to go to work in the morning. So it will not be as late as Saturday night's live stream that we had this past weekend. I know Janelle. Janelle says, yeah, because I know I said that one time before in a previous live stream, but this time I'm gonna try my best to make it a short live stream. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Spence Eccles. Spence Eccles, thank you so much for joining us in another live stream. And welcome back, buddy. Thank you so much for contributing to our live streams too also as well. Really happy to have you here once again. So guys, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump on my computer screen and share it with you guys so that way you can follow along with us. And if you have any comments, suggestions, questions, or whatever it is, you go ahead and leave it in the comments while we're going over the topic, and I will address everyone's comments as soon as possible. All righty. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you right now. And that way we can all be on the same page here. All righty. Okay, so if you can see the screen clearly, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. If you can see the screen clearly, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. So that way, okay, Purple Butterflies says number 1. Thank you so much for that. Janelle, I really appreciate you. So guys, if you can see that clearly, type the number 1 in the comments. If you cannot see it clearly, just let me know. Alrighty. Spence Eccles types number 1. Pure Catch Outdoors types number 1. And everyone, please give a warm welcome to Pure Catch Outdoors. Thank you so much for joining us. You're always welcome here in our live streams, Pure Catch. And thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you. Cliff Peters says number 1. Thank you so much for that, Cliff Peters. Cornell Freeman. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Cornell Freeman. Thank you so much for joining us, buddy. Cornell says number 1. And hello all. Everyone, please say hello to Cornell Freeman. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Tanya Williams. Tanya Williams, thank you so much for joining us. And Tanya says number 1. Thank you so much for that, Tanya. And Cornell Freeman gives, I don't know how many thumbs up this is. I can't even count them all. And the smiley faces, thank you so much for that, Cornell. Ronald Anderson types number 1 in the comments. Thank you so much for that. Ronald Anderson, I really appreciate you, buddy. Okay, so we got quite a few number 1s here already. So what we're going to do is go ahead and jump into the topic, and it's about Credit Strong tonight. Okay, so basically, like I said in the last live stream, I brought up the topic of Credit Strong because a lot of people, talk about self-lender here on YouTube, especially in YouTube videos. online, in a lot of the credit communities, like the FICO forums, they're all over the place talking about self lender, but not too many people talk about this credit builder loan. Okay, and I'm going to go over this one in particular, especially because there have been numerous articles online written about Credit Strong from Forbes magazine, is one of them, and some others too, giving reviews about Credit Strong. And you're welcome to do a Google search, Credit Strong reviews, if you like, to go over some of their reviews too also as well. I never tried this particular credit builder myself, but this is something that I may be reserving for November when my self-lender loan, the term of my self-lender loan is expired. I may be looking for another installment loan, and I was thinking either a Credit Strong installment loan, or maybe another self-lender, or maybe a car loan. Okay. But for the car loan, I was thinking, since my credit score is 731, I want to wait till I gain another 20 or 25 points on my credit score and get that up to maybe 760 credit score. And that way I could qualify for the lowest interest rates that they have available, and the lowest car payments that they have available too also as well. So that's what my plans are, as far as for installment loans, because I want to continue gaining points from the credit mix section of my credit score to also as well, which I know it only accounts for 10%, I believe, but 10% may not seem like a lot, but it is a lot, guys. It is a lot. Okay. It's a huge impact to a credit score. Okay. So let's just go ahead and go right into it. This is the website you see here on your screen. It's creditstrong.com. You can find that online. And it says they are a division of Austin Capital Bank. Okay, it says transform your life with stronger credit and savings. Credit Strong is the reliable way to establish or build strong credit too also as well.
I ain't trying to play anything.
Okay. Now there are 3 points here. It says purchase the home of your dreams, get the car loan you deserve, and be approved for better credit cards. Okay. So this is a credit builder loan here, guys, similar to self-lender, but there are a few differences, and I will go over that in just a second. Okay. Okay, so it says learn how. Okay, there's some small words here. It says, but just don't take our word for it. Here's what our customers say, and here is a testimonial here. Okay, from someone who has taken out 2 loans with Austin Capital Bank. All right. It says learn how you can build credit without using a credit card. Okay, I'm not going to play this video because it is not my video. So I'm not sure how YouTube will feel about me playing someone else's video. I don't know. I've seen other people on other YouTube channels playing other videos from other websites, but we're a new channel, so we're not sure about. We're just gonna not do that right now. If that's okay with you guys. So how does it work? Okay, open an account in minutes. When you open your Credit Strong account, our bank instantly gives you a loan and places the loan funds in a FDIC insured savings account in your name. The savings account funds are locked to secure the loan. Okay, so it's pretty similar to self-lender too also as well. Self-lender does pretty much the same thing, as far as your loan funds are in an FDIC insured account, just like this particular Credit Strong also as well. And the funds are locked. Okay. That's the security for the loan. Okay. And make on-time payments, make small monthly payments of principal and interest on your loan. The principal is a payment to yourself. that is credited and is credited towards the lock on your savings. The interest is what we earn for providing the service. Okay, so similar, just like self lender. Okay, you're going to pay a little bit of interest. So pretty much the same thing. Okay, track your progress. We provide a free FICO score monthly so you can track your progress. 90% of top lenders use FICO scores when making lending decisions. So I don't remember with the self lender if they offer you a free FICO score every month. And guys, go ahead and type in the comments and let me know. Kind of refresh my mind a little because I know we went over self lender when we talked about trade lines with no hard pull. So guys, go ahead and refresh my memory. If self lender gives you a free FICO score every month or not, go ahead and type that inside of the comments. Okay. And it's what'd you say, Janelle?
You get your
My what?
FICO score every month for self-funded.
I don't remember if I get a credit score from.
On it now.
Okay, Janelle says she gets her FICO score every month from
No, I don't.
self lender. So I don't remember because I get so many scores from so many different credit monitoring services that I don't remember every single one. But Janelle says yes, self lender does give a FICO score. Okay, so awesome. Thank you for sharing that, Janelle. Unlock your savings. When your loan is repaid in full, the lock is removed from your savings account. You've built both credit and savings. So it's both a credit building account and it's also a savings account, sort of similar to self lender again. Okay. All right. So let's see about the plans and pricing. It says choose the credit strong account that's right for you. Account terms. So let's start off with 12 months and see what they have to offer. And 12 months, they have the basic account, which is $44 a month. Installment loan is $495, 12 payments, and $495 is deposited inside of a savings account for you. With the prime accounts, it's $89 a month. It's a $1,000 loan amount. Number of payments is 12, and they deposit $1,000. So from just looking at this here, I can tell that just comparing it to my self lender loan that I have, that self lender I believe is it charges a little more. Okay, yeah, Janelle was just showing me her Experian credit report I was giving her from self lender. Okay, just to verify that self lender does offer you a free FICO score every month. Okay. So with my $1,000 loan, I pay more than $89. It's not that much more, but I'm paying like 90 something dollars a month. Okay. And it's a $1,000 loan, same as this one. 12 payments, same as this one. $1,000 deposited into an account for me, same as this one. Okay. Now the premier account is $150 a month, $1,700 loan payment, loan amount. 12 payments, and of course, $1,700 deposited into the account for you. So everything's, pretty similar to self lender here, except looks like some of the prices are slightly lower, not too much, maybe somewhere between $5 and $10 lower than self lender. Okay, as far as what you're going to pay per month. All right, but everything else is pretty much similar to self lender. Now, let's look at the 24-month terms of these three different types of loans. On the basic account is $24 a month. The $500 loan amount, 24 payments, of course, $500 deposited into the account for you. With the prime accounts, it's $48 a month, $1,000 loan amount, 24 payments, $1,000 deposited into the account. The premier account is $96 a month, $2,000 loan amount, 24 payments, $2,000 deposited into the account. And this was really attracted me here to Credit Strong, guys, just because if you look at this price here, the payments per month, $96 per month. That's pretty good. And look at the loan amount, $2,000. So you're getting a $2,000 loan for only $96 a month. So to me, that's pretty good. So this is about roughly around about what I'm paying every month with my self lender account, right? But the only difference is instead of the $1,000 loan amount that I'm getting with self lender, I'm getting this here, $2,000 loan amount. So I'm getting a double loan amount. Also, I'm getting more payment history out of this one here because I'm getting 24 payments. Okay. Whereas with self lender, I'm only getting 12 payments. Okay. So it's pretty not too bad for a $2,000 loan. Okay, guys. Which in 2 years, you get your $2,000. You might pay a little interest for it, but you'll get your $2,000 saved up for you and ready to do whatever you wish with the $2,000. Okay. The benefits of your Credit Strong account. So if you wanted to sign up for Credit Strong, you would just click select, highlight what account you wanted to sign up with, your term 12 months or 24 months, and you'll be on your way to signing up with that. The benefits of your Credit Strong account: installment loan reported to all three major credit bureaus. Okay. No hard credit pull or inquiry. So no inquiry, which is a good thing. Okay. So it's not going to hurt your score in that regards. Okay. No upfront security deposit required, which is great, because you can get started without a deposit at all. What to expect when you open your Credit Strong account? Today, activate your Credit Strong account by paying a one-time non-refundable fee of $8.95. I don't remember how much was the startup fee for a self-lender, but it's somewhere around the same price. Not exactly $8.95, but I think it's close to it. Starting next month, make 12 or 24 on-time payments based on your plan. We report your payments to the three credit bureaus. Okay. And when your account is paid in full, you'll unlock your savings plus the interest. Okay. This is different from self-lender. Says here, plus the interest you've earned. Okay. So the difference between the Credit Strong installment loan and the self-lender is that this one here earns you interest. Your savings account that they have for you locked away in an FDIC insured account is earning you interest. Okay. Self lender is not earning you any interest at all. Okay. So that's the difference between Credit Strong and self lender. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to MSTTA 271. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our live streams. Thank you so much for joining. And MS says $15 startup for a self-lender. Oh, okay. Well, thank you for reminding me of that, because I know we go over so many of these trade lines, and I have so many accounts reported in my credit report too also as well that I don't remember every single detail about every single one. So basically, if it's $15 to start up a self-lender, here's $8.95. So I mean, it's not a whole lot of savings, but I mean, it's almost $3. No, actually, it's more than $3. Huh? That's wow, 9 to 15, pretty much talking about $6.05. I mean, difference here. So $6 less for you to sign up with a Credit Strong account. Okay. Pure. What you say, Janelle?
I forgot to change it, but I thought I changed it back. No, I don't want to confuse everybody.
Okay, Janelle says she's going to change her purple butterflies back to Janelle Leone because she doesn't want to confuse everyone.
I already did.
And she already did. Okay, thank you for sharing that, Janelle. Pure Catch Outdoors says, does a $500 installment loan have the same effect on your credit score as a $2,000 installment loan? I believe so, Pure Catch. Guys, correct me if I am wrong, okay? But I believe it has the same effect because they're going to report everything to the major credit bureaus. And as long as you're making your payments on time, it will continue to increase your credit score, the same as a $2,000 installment loan will increase your credit score too, also as well. Okay. And it also, because it also adds to your credit mix and gives you the points for that particular category of your credit score. And thank you for sharing that, Pure Catch. Cornell Freeman says, hello, MSTTA. Welcome to the channel. Yes, thank you for that, Cornell. Really appreciate you, buddy, for saying that. So we've learned so far that Credit Strong pays you interest. Self lender does not pay you interest, and there are a few other differences that we will get into. Okay, because the Credit Strong and the self lender, even though they seem like they're identical, they're not 100% identical. Okay, building strong credit might be the best investment you ever make. And here's a chart here from the different categories of credit, different levels. We've changed credit to be in your favor. Now you can build credit by saving instead of spending. Your Credit Strong account automatically helps you set aside money in a savings account, so you grow your savings as you build credit. Building credit helps you save thousands of dollars in interest and fees. Yes, it sure does, especially if you guys have watched the live stream that we did Saturday night when we talked about how to get credit ready for buying a house. Then that live stream, we went into full detail about the different levels of credit from a 660 credit score on up to excellent credit status, and the differences, what type of interest, what interest rate you will pay, and how much money you will end up saving on your mortgage payments each month by the different credit levels. Building credit helps. Okay, I already said that part. With no hard inquiry or credit score required, low monthly payments, and no upfront deposit, is easy to get started. So it's pretty much similar to self-lender in that regards, that you don't need a credit score to get approved for this one here. They accept all type of credits, similar to self-lender. About Credit Strong, but guys, I do want to mention that one particular person, I'm not going to say his name, he got denied for the self-lender accounts when he applied, and that was because he owed money to some banks, and self-lender works with a bank called Lead Bank. Okay, and as a bank, you know how banks are. If you owe money to other banks, it's very possible they can turn you down for an account. Okay. But he did get denied for self-lender, although he did get approved for Credit Strong. So I don't know if that tells you guys anything, but maybe it might say that Credit Strong may be a little the most lenient of the lenients. I don't know if that makes any sense. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Laura Martinez. Thank you so much for joining us, Laura. And you're always welcome in our live streams. And thank you so much for joining us. Laura says hello to everyone. And everyone, please say a hello to Laura Martinez and let her know that she's welcome here. Thank you so much, Laura, for joining. Janelle says, sorry, everyone. I decided to change back to the Janelle Leone set purple butterflies. I don't want to confuse everyone. Forgive me. Okay, she wanted to reiterate that again. And thank you so much for sharing that, Janelle. Really appreciate that. MSTTA 271 says self-lender uses check systems. Yes, that's where I was getting at before. Thank you for bringing that up, MSTT, because yes, they're a bank, so they use check systems. Okay, guys, if you're unsure about what's on your check systems, you can always go to check systems itself and you can look that up. You can request a free copy of your check systems report. Just go ahead and Google search for check systems, and they have a website. I don't remember if you can apply for your free report online or if you have to write them a letter, but all the information I believe is on the website of check systems too also as well. So guys, if you're unsure about Credit Strong or a installment loan in general, or even self lender, about whether or not you're going to get approved, you can check your check systems report by requesting that. They will send it to you in the mail. Excuse me. So, guys, okay, Janelle says hello and welcome to our live chat. Laura Martinez, thank you so much for that, Janelle. So, about Credit Strong. Credit Strong is a division of Austin Capital Bank, a 5-star rated independent community bank and member of the FDIC. We have grown to be one of the preeminent community banks in Central Texas and a national leader in responsible financial services innovation. Okay, experience over 50,000 account holders, safe and secure, member of FDIC, recognition, member of Inc. 5000 for 3 years running, and that's Austin Capital Bank. So here's some frequently asked questions. It's always good to go over some of these when you look up, these different types of trade lines and banks. Frequently asked questions. A Credit Strong account is the fusion of a loan and savings account. It can help you establish or build your credit while you accumulate savings. Monthly payments are reported to the 3 major credit bureaus, and when you complete your payments, the funds unlock and you have credit history and cash. Okay. Janelle says hello and welcome to our live chat. Laura Martinez. Okay, I just said that. And Janelle says if you guys haven't hit that thumbs up button, please do hit that too also as well. Yes, guys, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Right now we have 15 people here with us here in the live chat with us. Thank you so much, guys, for joining too also as well. What is required to open an account? Okay, let's look at that. The following requirements are needed to open a Credit Strong account. You must be 18 years old, permanent U.S. resident with a physical U.S. residence or address, a valid Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, a checking account, debit card, or prepaid card in good standing, a mobile phone number, an email address. Okay, how do I check my account balance? You can review your account information, balances, loan schedule, check your FICO score, and download account documents on your Credit Strong dashboard. Okay, so it's similar to Self Lender. Is Credit Strong legit and not a scam? Okay, that's a good one. Austin Capital Bank is a 5-star rated FDIC insured Texas state savings bank located in Austin, Texas. Okay, so I mean, you're not going to get anything on that from this website. I think you'd be better off like going to look on maybe FICO forums and raise questions about, have everyone use Credit Strong and what do they think about them? And you could I think you'd get more valuable input from actual consumers or customers than you would from the site. Okay, so it says learn more. We'll click on that and see. It talks about other things here because I know there are some differences between this and the self lender too also as well. Let's see. Let's click on this. After I open my Credit Strong account, what should I expect? It's this one here. First, thank you for trusting Credit Strong to help you build credit and savings. You will receive your current FICO score in the Credit Strong credit dashboard within 2 weeks of opening your account. You'll see the date of your next score refresh in the dashboard. Your first monthly loan payment will be due 1 month after you open your account. When possible, accounts are set up on auto pay when open. Okay, so this is similar to self lender. The self lender you can set up an auto pay too also as well. And guys, it's great idea to set up a self lender if you're thinking about getting an installment loan for your credit score. You want to definitely have it set up on auto pay. Typically, your Credit Strong account will appear on your credit report 30 to 60 days after you make your first payment. So pretty much my self lender did not show up on my report till 90 days. And self lender at that time when I applied back in November, that's what they told me, that it would take 90 days to go on my credit report. But they also did reassure me that all 3 months will be reported in one report. So that really helped me out a lot because that boosted my credit score by huge points, because I had all 3 months reported. And instead of it showing on a credit report as a new account, it showed as an account that was 3 months old. Okay. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Thaddeus Stringer. Thaddeus Stringer, thank you so much for joining us here in the live stream tonight. And everyone, please say hello to Thaddeus Stringer. Let him know that he is welcome here in our live stream. Thank you so much for joining us. And Thaddeus says, thanks for the info. Very informative. Yes. Thank you for saying that, Thaddeus. Really appreciate that. Cornell Freeman says, please hit the thumbs up button. Um, Informative information. Okay, thank you so much for that, Cornell. Really appreciate you, buddy. It says here, notes, we provide your payment information to the three major credit bureaus, but it can take them some time before they process the information and add the account to your credit report. Unfortunately, each credit bureau decides when your payment information is processed and reported to your credit report, and we are unable to expedite this process for you. Okay. Brian Taylor, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Brian Taylor. Brian Taylor, thank you for joining us. And Brian says,
Taylor.
hi. Janelle says hi to you, Brian
Okay,
Taylor.
I'll get it in a minute.
And everyone, Brian Taylor has his own YouTube channel where he gives information about how to dispute items off your credit report. If you're interested in checking out his channel, you can click on his name, click on go to channel, and then click on subscribe and the bell notifications. That way, you will never miss a video as he makes them too also as well. So thank you so much for joining, Brian. It's really a pleasure. Keith Shep, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Keith Shep. Keith Shep, thank you for joining us once again and welcome back. Way late, can't keep up with you and Janelle, putting out great information as usual. Thank you for saying that, Keith Shep.
Thanks, teacher.
Janelle says thank you, Keith Shep, and I definitely thank you. We're very grateful to you, Keith Shep, and all of you guys, because you guys definitely make this channel better. Uh, Janelle says, attention to all our subscribers. If you have any suggestions or topic that you guys want us to do for our next live stream, please feel free to let us know. And we will do our best to do some research and share too also as well. Yes, we have done that several times in the past for our subscribers and also people who have joined us in the live stream, the live chat too also as well. And they wanted us to do videos or live streams about specific topics, and we have. So that is an option. You guys can feel free to do that if you like. Okay, so let's see. Where are we here? It says here, remember the most part of your credit building journey is to pay on time. Payment history makes up 35% of your FICO score, so it's important to avoid any late payments on your credit strong account, loan, or it may harm your score. So this may be a little different. I'm not sure if self-lender reports if you were late with a payment. I believe they should because it's a trade line.
Thank you, Brian.
Oh, we have a super chat for $2 from Brian Taylor. Brian Taylor, thank you so much for that $2 super chat, brother. We really appreciate it. And it really goes a long way, helps us support the channel, helps us to make better videos too also as well. Brian says, showing you some love. Keep up the good work. Yes, thank you so much for that, Brian. Another super chat. We got a $10 super chat from Keith Shep. Keith Shep, thank you so much for that $10 super chat. We really appreciate you, brother. And that really, helps us, make better videos, better content too, also as well for you guys. Keith Shep says supporting the channel. Yes, thank you so much. We appreciate that, Keith Shep. And Janelle says thank you so much, Brian Taylor, and thank you so much to Keith Shep too, also as well. Really appreciate you guys for the support. Thank you for all of the support. So guys, this is just like a regular trade line. They will report if it's positive payments. They also will report if you're late on a credit strong payment too, also as well. Okay. So I'm not sure self-lended does that too also, but I believe they should. If Most trade lines do. Except most trade lines do report negative, except Experian Boost. Experian Boost will not report any late payments that you've made on your utility bills, okay, or your cell phone bills, okay. Thank you so much for that $5 super chat. We have a $5 super chat from Brian Taylor. I guess it's another one, Brian. Thank you so much for that super chat, buddy. We really appreciate that, man. We know that you've been giving us a lot of super chats, and we're very thankful for you being there for our channel here and to share your great information, because we have a lot of people that come to our channel looking for credit repair information. And we really appreciate that you're here, and you have such a wonderful YouTube channel with a lot of great content. And guys, you really need to go ahead and check out Brian Taylor's channel. He's been doing credit repair, seems like, for 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. Brian, correct me if I'm wrong. I believe he's been doing it for like 5 years. So he's been doing it for a long time, guys. Now he knows what he's talking about. And he's got a lot of great content, great information, guys. So definitely check out his channel. Brian says, no problem. Thanks for the great information. Yeah, thank you, Brian, for that super chat. It really helps out the channel a lot, tremendously. Thank you for all the support. And Brian says, yes, 5 years. Okay, so I did have it right. You've been doing it for 5 years, so that's awesome. Awesome. Right now, we have 18 people with us here tonight in the live chat. Welcome to all of you. You guys, definitely, have a lot of family here at How to Get an 800 Credit Score too, also as well. And thank you guys for joining us too. Pink Lady Barber says, you guys are awesome. Hit the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for sharing that, Pink Lady. We really appreciate you. Thank you for saying that. Janelle says, hello and welcome to Thaddeus Stringer. Yes, welcome, Thaddeus. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so let's click on what happens at the end of my Credit Strong accounts. When you have paid your loan off in full, you'll receive a notice that your loan has been paid off. And the lock is going to be removed from your savings account. You can leave your money in a savings account and earn interest, or you can request a transfer of funds. Okay, guys, so this is different from self-lender. Okay, you can leave your money in the savings account if you so choose to, and it will earn interest. Okay, or you can request a transfer of the funds if you like. Okay, they can transfer the funds somewhere else. Okay, can I pay back my Credit Strong account early? I remember with self-lender you can, but I do not suggest that you do that, because that will just hinder you from getting the full amounts of points that you will receive by completing the entire term with your installment loan. Okay, but you can pay it back early. There's no prepayment penalty for paying it off early. Okay, but just like with any other installment loan, it is frowned upon to pay it off early. Okay, because payment history is 35% of your credit score. So if you want the full points of payment history, do not pay off an installment loan early, guys. If you feel like you must pay off an installment loan early, I have a suggestion. Okay, if it is something you can work out with your bank, I would suggest calling the bank and pay off everything of the balance, except leave yourself enough to pay a payment of $1 per month for the rest of the term of your loan. Okay, so for an example, if your loan say is $100, okay, I'm just gonna go with $100, small amount, to make it, just to break it down in the most simpler terms that I can. You want to pay off, say, $88 of that loan, okay, and leave a $12 balance, and then go ahead and pay $1 a month for a term of 12 months. Okay, that as simple as I can make it, but I know it's not exact as I wanted to make it, but pretty much I hope you guys get the idea. All right. So if you insist on paying off a loan, an installment loan early, I would say that's the better alternative than paying off the entire balance early. Okay. That way you can still benefit from that and get that 35% of your score. This right here, I'm not gonna click on this. Is credit score strong or legit, or is it a scam? Because this is credit strong, pretty much talking. So I'm not, we want something more objective when we're trying to review a trade line. Can I have multiple credit strong accounts at the same time? That's interesting. This time, you may only have one account open and active at a time. But after you complete your account, you may apply to open another one. Okay. Can I make withdrawals? During the term, your loan is locked. Okay. At the maturity of the loan, or when the loan is paid off, the lock is removed and the funds in the savings account are available to you. Okay. So you cannot access these funds until after the term of the loan is over. When will I receive my money from the installment loan? Unlike unsecured a consumer installment loan, a credit strong account does not allow you to immediately withdraw the money at the time the loan is originated. Your loan proceeds are automatically deposited into an FDIC insured savings account in your name at Austin Capital Bank. The loan funds are locked and not available for withdrawal until the loan is repaid in full. While the funds are held in a savings account, you earn interest on the account balance. Okay, so you hear this, guys? Here it is. Okay, while the funds are held in the savings account, you earn interest on the account balance. So that's very interesting to me. A savings account slash credit builder account slash installment loan account slash earn interest earning savings account. Okay, pretty good. If, in my opinion, the Credit Strong account is designed to help you establish or build your credit in a safe and reliable manner while also acting as a savings plan. If you need access to the loan funds immediately, you should consider obtaining an unsecured consumer loan. Okay, so if you need access to the funds right now, you don't want to open up a Credit Strong account, and you don't want to open up a self lender account either. Okay, they're telling you to go for an unsecured loan. Can two people co-own or co-sign on the same Credit Strong account? No. Okay, so two people cannot be co-signer of the same account. Really, there's really no need for it, because it's a high chance that you're going to get approved with Credit Strong, unless you owe banks money. Okay, and that's in your check systems, and they, but like I said, I know a guy that was denied from self lender for owing money to other banks, and they checked his check systems and they denied him. But he turned around and applied for Credit Strong, and he got approved for Credit Strong. So it's a good chance that you can get approved at Credit Strong if you've been denied at self lender. Okay, guys. So everything's pretty much similar. I think maybe there are some differences here as far as the account earns interest for one. For two, you can get a $2,000 loan, which is the highest amount, compared to self lender, where the highest amount is $1,700.
Based on your income.
Say it again, Janelle.
Self lender, based on how much your income is and how much they will give you on the amount. The credit.
Okay, so Janelle's saying a self lender goes based on your income.
For self lender.
For self lender, yeah. So
they based on your income.
Thank you for sharing that, Janelle. Really appreciate that also as well. So guys, that is, pretty much. Let's see if there's other questions here that they included in the frequently asked questions. This is pretty much just dealing with the product, passwords, how to file a complaint, the software, problems with it. If you need to contact them, who do you contact? Okay. They have a newsletter here. You can join up and subscribe to their newsletter. Okay, guys. So pretty much, um, I think that's a lot of the information about the Credit Strong. The pricing is pretty reasonable too, also, guys, because as I mentioned before, as we noticed, it's $8.95 to sign up for this, which means it's probably, let's see, about $8 or $9. No, that's wrong. $9 less than self lender is to sign up for a self lender account. Okay, and the payments are slightly lower than the self lender account too, also as well. So that tells me that they're charging you less interest than a self lender account would charge you. Okay, but I mean, in the building credit stage or level, we can expect to pay more interest than someone who's um has good credit or excellent credit in one of those categories, because that's how lenders are. That's how banks are. Okay,
Another one.
They uh, give out interest amounts based on credit scores. Okay. Oh wow, another one, Brian. Brian Taylor, we got another super chat from Brian Taylor, $2 super chat. Thank you so much for that $2 super chat, Brian. We really appreciate you, buddy. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. It really goes a long way. And guys, I'm really, Brian really has some great content on his channel. So guys, if you're really interested in credit repair, go ahead to go over to his channel and check out what he has to offer. I'm sure you will be very impressed. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, Brian. Really appreciate you, buddy. Brian says, I will share your content on my social media. Thank you so much for that, Brian. And guys, as Brian mentioned that, guys, go ahead and hit the share button and share this video with all of your friends and family on social media, on Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter too, also as well. And thank you to all of you guys, because of you guys also, we have more followers right now on Twitter. I believe we have over 220 followers right now on Twitter. So really appreciate you guys. You guys definitely are, you guys, because of you guys, that's, this is all possible too, also as well. Right now we have, I believe it is over 500 likes on our Facebook page, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. It's almost 600 likes on the Facebook page. And we have almost 40 members in our Facebook credit group, How to Get Excellent Credit. So thank you to all of you guys.
126
Okay, Janelle just corrected me. Sorry about that, guys. Right now we have 1,120 subscribers right now. Okay, so I had it wrong. I thought it was only 106 or so, but thank you guys for subscribing to also as well. So it really means a lot to the channel. And as usual, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and recognize all of you guys who have commented, participated, raised questions, suggestions during this live stream too, also as well as a tradition here on this channel. And in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and jump back on camera with you guys too, also as well. If you guys can see me clearly on the camera, go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. And here's Janelle. She's saying waving hi. If you can see us clearly, just type the number 1 inside of the comments. Appreciate you guys so much. If you cannot see it clear, just let me know also inside of the comments as well. Right now, we want to give a special thank you to Cliff Peters. Thank you so much, Cliff Peters, for joining us tonight in the live stream. Really appreciate you. Welcome back. Special thank you to Ronald Anderson. Ronald Anderson, thank you so much for joining us, buddy. Cliff Peters says number 1. Brian Taylor says you're welcome. More super chats from me. Just keep up the great work you are doing. Yes, thank you so much for that, Brian. We really appreciate you, buddy. For sure. We got your back. We're here, to help and support you too also as well. So we would definitely, you know, continue doing that. Um, Ronald Anderson says, number one. Okay, thank you so much for that, Ronald. Everyone, please, we want to give a special thank you to Bodyguard 856. Bodyguard, thank you so much for joining us once again in another live stream. It's always a pleasure, brother. Thank you so much. Also, we want to give a special thank you to Dead Mouse. Dead Mouse, thank you so much for joining us tonight inside of the live stream. We really appreciate you, buddy, for all that you do to contribute to our live streams too, also as well, buddy. Thank you so much. Also, we want to say a special thank you to Pink Lady Barber. Pink Lady Barber, thank you so much for joining us in another live stream, and welcome back again. Also, a special thank you to Tanya Williams. Tanya, thank you so much for joining us inside of another live stream. We really appreciate you, Tanya. Special thank you as well to Spence Eccles. Spence Eccles, thank you so much for joining us in tonight's live stream. We really appreciate you, Spence. Special thank you as well to Pure Catch Outdoors, which looks like a new person here in our live stream. Everyone, please let Pure Catch know that they're always welcome here in the YouTube channel, and please come back again. We really appreciate you joining us. Special thank you to Cornell Freeman. Cornell, thank you so much for joining us in another live stream. Cornell, we know you're one of our veterans here on this channel. You've been with us from pretty much day one. We really appreciate you, buddy. Thank you so much for joining us once again, and welcome back. Special thank you to MSTTA271, which I believe this is another new person. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you and all that you offer here to our live stream tonight. And welcome as well. And you're always welcome here on this channel and all of our live streams. So we look forward to seeing you back again pretty soon. Also, special thank you to Laura Martinez. Thank you so much, Laura Martinez, for joining us in tonight's live stream. And you looks like you're also a new person here to our live streams, and you're always welcome as well, Laura. And we look forward to seeing you as well in another live stream too. Also, special thank you to Thaddeus Stringer, which is also a new person here in our live stream tonight. And thank you so much for joining us. We hope to see you in many more live streams to come. Really appreciate you. Special thank you to Brian Taylor. Brian, we really appreciate all that you contribute to our live streams too as well. If anyone has any questions, about Brian Taylor's channel, just go ahead and type them in the comments, or you can go to Brian's channel and ask him yourself inside of comment section in his videos too also as well. And we want to say a special thank you to Brian Taylor for a $2 super chat and another $2 super chat and a $5 super chat too also as well. We really appreciate that too also as well. Brian. Also, we want to say a special thank you to Keith Shep. Keith Shep, thank you so much for that $10 super chat. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We know you are a great supporter of our channel, and we want you to know that we really appreciate all that you do for this channel too also as well. So that way we're trying to give you guys the best possible live streams and videos that we can. And Janelle says, we thank all of you so much for being a part of our subscribers and our life. We love you all and appreciate everything you do. Please do spread out the word and our videos. Again, thank you and God bless you all. Thank you so much for sharing that, Janelle. That was really wonderful. I really enjoyed reading that. Seriously. Thank you for sharing that, Janelle. Brian Taylor says, people subscribe to the channel, like and share it. Yes, definitely. People subscribe, hit the like button, the video too also as well. And guys, thank you so much, guys, for joining us. Our regular live streams are every Wednesday at 8:15 p.m. Central Time. So again, that's every Wednesday. We are live here on how to get an 800 credit score at 8:15 p.m. Central Time. Too, you can count on us every week at that time. We do make videos between Wednesdays. Also, like we did this weekend and like we did today, we did Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days back to back. And I believe it was Saturday we did one, Sunday we did two, Tonight we're doing one. So it's been 4 videos back to back so far. First time ever that we've done that on this channel. But we thank you guys because see, we're getting so many topics. We have so many topics that we want to do videos about. So, I guess that's what's, stirring up these live streams, these back to back live streams, and 3, 4, sometimes 5 times a week live stream videos too, also as well, because there's so many different topics that we have to talk about, building credit, and things of that nature, and increasing your credit score. It's just so many topics to talk, so many things to talk about. What's going on inside of our credit building community today, current events. There's so many things that we have to talk about. So we do thank you so much, guys, for supporting our channel. And it's a pleasure to have all of you guys with us in these live streams. We want you to know that because of you, this is possible. Brian Taylor says, please push notification button to the channel when everyone here go live on YouTube. Yes, thank you so much for sharing that, Brian. Janelle says, good night, everyone. Sweet dreams. Okay, so guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video from this channel, how to get an 800 credit score. And when you hit the notification, hit select all notifications. That's the bell inside of the brackets. That's this picture here. Okay, that's this picture here. I can't see the sign. Oh, here it is. This picture here. The bell inside of the brackets. Okay, that's to select all notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too, also as well. And give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel tremendously. It lets YouTube know that people are interacting here with this video, and helps out with the YouTube algorithms too, also as well. Share this video all over your Facebook and social media networks too, also as well. That way we can spread the message and help as many people as we can to increase their credit score also as well. Cornell says, you're very welcome. Good night. Yes, thank you so much for sharing that. Good night, Cornell. Have a great day tomorrow also. And the links to contact me, again, can be found at the bottom of the About section of this channel. You can email me there. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, too, also as well. You can follow me on Instagram there too, also as well. Or you can sign up to become a patron of this channel if you wish to support this channel with extra support too, also as well. There's a link inside of the bottom of the description for that. So guys, again, thank you so much to all of our subscribers. Thank you to all people who participated here tonight in this live stream. And I know I said I was going to make this live stream short as possible. Janelle waved goodbye. And, and
good night.
And
see you next time.
Good night from me, Janelle, and all of us here at How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Have a good night. Stay safe and stay blessed. See you next time.